Alright guys, so I didn't really do anything yesterday, so yeah, this is my video for yesterday because I didn't do anything. I'm so tired though. I'm so tired. I'm just kidding, guys, but no, I'm just kidding, guys. Alright, guys, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, have fun. Alright. Like, subscribe. Comment. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.